Hello everybody, thank you for watching. In this video, I'm going to cover how you can make consistent income from investing in the stock market. It's none of those gimmicks you be seeing. You ain't got to buy no course. Just watch the video, learn, take some tips, and enjoy. So now, let's get started. So I myself do invest in stocks, and I get a lot of questions about how to make money from investing in the stock market. I think a lot of people try to enter and they have the wrong mindset, so I'm going to cover exactly how you can make consistent income from the stock market. So let me begin first with the mistakes people make. The biggest mistake people make entering the stock market is they believe that they can make money consistently from day trading and or swing trading. So day trading is the act of buying a stock and hoping to sell that same stock on the same day for a profit. It's essentially gambling, and a lot of people do it on Wall Street, and they have professional day traders. But most people entering the stock market to begin will not do a good job day trading and or swing trading. Swing trading is when you buy a stock and hope to sell it in a day or 2 or 3 days in the near future and get profits. So you're hoping to buy it and then it swings up, and if it goes down, you're okay with it, but you're hoping it goes up in the near short term. That is swing trading. So you enter in the stock market thinking day trading or swing trading will bring consistent income. You will be in for a rude awakening. It's essentially thinking that you're going to go to a casino and play blackjack every day and make a side income or consistent income from gambling at the blackjack table every day. You're not. Some days you might take wins, some days you might take losses, but at the end of the day, it will never be consistent. And it's not a way to create a stream of income. It's simply gambling, and I will not recommend anybody to do it. That is the biggest mistake most people make, trying to enter the stock market and make money from it. So now I explain the biggest error people make. And now you might be asking, okay, well, that's not the way how to make consistent income. What is? The answer to that is, if you are a beginning investor and you want to start making consistent income from the stock market, you need to invest in blue chip stocks that pays consistent dividend. Dividends is when a company pays you for simply owning their stock. And that is how you make consistent income from investing in the stock market. You simply continue buying stocks that's reliable, that's valuable, that's brand name, that's not going nowhere, and them stocks will pay you dividends. And the more stocks you own, the more shares you own in them companies, the more your dividend payouts will increase over time. And before you know it, you're going to be making a nice income strictly off dividends. Whether the stocks go up and down, it doesn't really matter, because when you're investing as a dividend investor, you strictly is worrying about if that dividend payout is good. So you buy Coca Cola today for 46, it goes down to 44. You can still hold on to it and get dividends, because in 5 years it might go back up to 50 or 60. So you're not worried about the capital, you should be worried about the dividend. And if you're investing correctly, you should be doing that with ease. If you're investing in blue chip stocks, you should not worry about the capital, because you know that if it decreases, it will always go back up. And for those who don't know what a blue chip stock is, it's basically a company that is just well-known, reliable. They just on top of their industry. A few examples will probably be like McDonalds, Mastercard, Disney, Apple, Microsoft, just well-known companies that can withstand depressions and recessions and go through it. They're not going to go bankrupt no time soon. They have a huge market share, huge customers, everything. They just really good companies here to stay. So that is a blue chip stock. So when you begin buying shares in these companies and collect these dividend payouts, that is how you will make consistent income from investing in the stock market. Day trading is not the answer. Swing trading is not the answer. Think you want to come into the stock market and start longing and shorting and doing contracts is not the answer. Those are all gambles and should be left to professionals. Do not begin doing these things or these strategies and think that you will make money. It is not. If you want to gamble, do it. If you want to be safe and have a consistent income, buy the blue chip stocks and get the dividend payouts. And that's the video for today. And I hope I deterred some of you away from day trading, because that is not the way to make consistent income in the stock market. A good saying is when you take shortcuts, you always get cut short in the end. So do not take shortcuts. Invest your money safely and properly. Do a little research on blue chip stocks and nice dividend paying stocks and begin investing, So that's the video for today. Thank y'all for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. More videos coming soon as always. Make smart investments with your money and see y'all in my next video. Thank y'all. Peace.